All right, we're going to Publix in Waynesville again. This time I've got a different camera set up. So I just wanted to show you what you can see on the road. Really love this setup. Really hard braking for that truck that was actually turning. But no braking for that car that was coming over the hill. And yeah, we're a little over center there. Now it adjusted itself and almost came to a full stop. So we're a little ways back. And nope. There's a car right there, and it was just pulling right out. Come on. And it resets it to 10 miles per hour. No, don't cross center. See, it can't see center because there's no line right here. But this, that would have crossed into their lane. Wow. That guy almost had a bad day. Yikes. Alright, so it's trying to get in the wrong lane and then getting back over into the right lane. Well, don't go in the middle. Almost made it the rest of the way. I don't know why it wants to drive in the middle of the road, especially with a car coming the other direction. But it does right there all the time. So there we go. First drive with the Insta360 on the top. And not a great drive. Same mistakes as always. But hope you liked the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.